Hello. Welcome to my video. So today is card kit number 2 draw, and this one was the toppers. I've got 19 ladies that left a message below, so thank you very much, all you lovely ladies. So the card kit, you get 4 cards. There's toppers, sentiments, pretty papers. So yeah, it's a good card kit. And let me get the number generator up. 19. Right. This is awful because the light in this really does. So don't take any notice of number 7. So I'm going to press the generator number, and let's see, number 8. Oh, and I'll let you see, number 8 is Lindsay Lou. Well done, Lindsay. Yeah, I can put this in with your other things. So thank you all ladies for for supporting me on my Back to Basics Monday. I love doing it. So Lindsay, that will be out today, which is a Friday. So yeah, have a lovely weekend and see you all again soon. Bye for now.